on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 of our Dress Like a Celebrity challenge of Kanye West. We did a video previously and a lot of people liked it. A lot of people responded well to the video. So we're going to go ahead and do a part 2 of that video. And this time we're going to up our challenge and go with $100. Because last time we did like $75 and it was kind of challenging. Because Kanye West pieces can get really expensive. And we want to have fun with this challenge and like pick up pieces that are going to be drip. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because we're going to show you guys how the outfit looks, because you guys know the outfit is going to be fire. So we're going to be leaving the link of each of the pieces in the description as well, so stay tuned. You guys know how this challenge is going to go. We're going to go through Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Google, and like we're gonna Kanye West ain't on TikTok. What are you talking about? I know, but like we're gonna go through all of those sites and we're gonna try to pick one outfit and we're gonna try to build that outfit from the ground up. In this challenge, we're gonna be trying to do like a lightweight outfit, because in the previous challenge we did like a winter type outfit. So we're gonna be trying to do an outfit that's more appropriate for the spring. Scroll through Google right now. I just found this interesting outfit that stood out to me. He's wearing like a bandana print jacket, which is like a really lightweight jacket that you can wear in the spring. And like bandana like jackets are also gonna be really popular 2020 spring. Like t-shirts and jackets, they're really gonna be popular. And he paired it up with like slacks. I'm not really sure. Also, he wore like the Yeezy slides, but the pants are not really that interesting to me. So I think we're not gonna go ahead and do this outfit. And like he's wearing slides. Like we want to do an outfit that he's wearing sneakers. Like he's dripping in one of them Yeezys. We don't want to do like slides because we don't even have those slides. Sometimes Kanye West outfits could get really cozy and laid back. That's why he wears slides and sweatpants. But that really works well with Kanye West. Like it fits in his like aesthetic. Sometimes he really drips. Like for example, this outfit I found on Pinterest. Like this outfit, he's just dripping. He has on a lightweight tie-dye jacket that's very appropriate for the spring. And he paired it up with a pair of nylon pants, which can be very breathable. And he threw on like a pair of desert boots from Yeezy. But guys, I don't like how he has on a hoodie underneath that jacket, because it can get really hot. And like this outfit, he has a lot of pieces. I don't know if our budget of $100 can pick up all of these pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and pass on this outfit. This is another outfit that really stood out to me. This outfit is really fire, but like he has on a lot of layers. And I don't think like this outfit is gonna be appropriate for the springtime. He has on like this denim jacket with like patches on it. That jacket really drew my eye. Like it's fire. I've never seen anything like this. But he has on a parka over it, which can get really hot. And I like the color of those pants too. I think it's like sage green, and he has on a boot. And like this outfit has a lot of pieces, so we're not gonna be able to pick it up with our budget. Guys, I just found the perfect outfit for this challenge. This outfit is very interesting. It has like the bandana print shirt that we were just talking about. And it has like this denim pants that has like the flower design on it, which is gonna be patches. Yeah, those patches are gonna be really interesting on the pants. And he has on like a lightweight denim jacket on top of that, like a black denim jacket. This outfit is very interesting, and I think this outfit is very appropriate for the spring. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up this outfit. The first piece that we're gonna try to pick up in this outfit is the bandana shirt. Scrolling through Google, I found it on 2 sites. I found it on Minimal and ETSY. And guys, like I like the one on ETSY better, because like the print just looks similar to the one Kanye West was wearing, but the Minimal one is cheaper. So we're gonna go ahead and get the ETSY because I think it looks better. The pants in the outfit is more of like a boot cut. It's more looser fitted. It's more of like a light wash kind of pants, so that's gonna be very easy to find. And we found it on Gap. When it comes to the outer layer in the outfit, it's like a denim shirt, and we found it on Minimal, Topman, ASOS, but the ASOS version is more cheaper, so we're gonna pick it up from ASOS. So guys, we just got most of the pieces from the mail. We're gonna do a quick unboxing to show you guys how some of the pieces look like. We're gonna start off with the bandana shirt. Guys, this is dope. Like this print is very similar to the one Kanye West was wearing. Even though it was the most expensive piece, it's not disappointing. You can wear it like in the spring. This is a perfect spring piece. And the next piece was the jeans we got from Gap. There's nothing really special about it. is a bootcut jeans. It's really easy to find. I like the wash. Now for the denim shirt, this one's pretty easy. You can find it anywhere. It's just black, and you can either go with like a raw denim one. This one's like just a black denim shirt, so it's nothing really special. We went ahead and added the patches, and you guys can see how it looks very similar to the one Kanye West was wearing. The jeans was $40 and the patches cost like $10, so it was really affordable. The bandana shirt was $70, so it was the most expensive piece. And the denim shirt was $20, so it was really affordable also. So we slightly went over budget. We went $20 over budget. For the shoes and the outfit, we're gonna be using the Azale, the Yeezy 700 Azale, and this is gonna go really well because we don't have the Yeezy Quantum, so this is gonna be a perfect alternative. Now, before we show you guys how the outfit looks like, if you guys enjoy watching these type of videos, please go ahead and leave a like in this video right now, because it really helps the channel and it helps us know to make more of these type of videos. And please guys, subscribe to the channel and turn your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. And guys, please drop a comment right now. Tell us what other celebrity you guys want us to dress like next. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.